VAR was supposed to bring clarity and speed to soccer, reducing the chaos of human error. But at World Cup 2026, it's doing the opposite, leaving fans and players more frustrated than ever. What went wrong? And is this the future of the game? Take the Argentina vs Cabo Verde match from World Cup 2026 as a perfect example. A goal is scored, fans erupt, only for VAR to reverse it minutes later, leaving players and spectators alike questioning the integrity of the game. These moments aren't just delays, they're stealing the magic from soccer. But VAR's biggest issues aren't just about fairness, they're about time and consistency. His frustration mirrors the growing outrage from fans worldwide, drowning out the excitement with doubt. But is VAR really making soccer fairer, or has it become a spectacle of endless deliberation? The system was designed to reduce ref errors, yet now it feels like a game of its own, one that leaves fans and players questioning whether the technology is helping or harming the sport. Take Argentina's Custodio Mendes, who's faced racism yet persevered on the biggest stage. His frustration mirrors the growing outrage from fans worldwide, drowning out the excitement with doubt. What if the solution to VAR's frustrations isn't more human oversight, but artificial intelligence? China's AI manufacturing boom shows how technology can streamline decisions.
It's not just about calls anymore, it's about trust in the game itself, like how SCOTUS decisions have eroded faith in institutions. Players and fans alike are left wondering, when does technology help, and when does it replace the human element we've always cherished? That's the bigger question no one saw coming. VAR was supposed to bring fairness to soccer, but now it feels like it's adding more frustration than justice. Do you think this technology is helping the game or hurting its soul? Drop a comment below, like and subscribe if you want more hot takes on how sports tech is changing the